Personally, I think all entry-level tech jobs will become less relevant.
Heads or tails?
Let's go that way.
So, thank God. What tech jobs do you think will become less relevant in the next 5 years?
And why?
There's no and why.
Now you put right to it.
There's no and why.
Personally, I think all entry-level tech jobs will become less relevant. Like, if, at this stage now, if you are a junior developer, you don't really know your job well. If you're a junior developer, you can still like hustle and get a few jobs. But AI will get so good to a point where it will be able to replace most junior developer jobs. So most junior developers will lose their jobs. Same thing with video editors and graphic designers. With Canva already now, the simple jobs that normal low-level graphic designers would have taken before, like just design, creating cards, all of those things that a low-level graphic designer would have taken it. Canva has eliminated those jobs.
I think for most businesses now, like they are looking for people that can cross-pollinate, people that can handle a lot of things together. So they will not say they will go for a developer, they will say they will go for a full stack because you can handle front end and back end. So that's even killing more jobs. See some job description that will say they are looking for a graphic designer that can do social media management, that can do video editing, because basically all these Canva, they have templates for video editing. So it's making it quite easy for people to do a lot of things together.
As long as you have, maybe you know someone that is giving you updates, or you know someone that is putting you through, or you know someone that can give you the job per se, learning it will always be relevant. But learning something that, okay, maybe you don't know how to apply it, or you don't know have an opportunity to apply it, will seem like you wasted your time doing something like that. So having an avenue to practice what you learned will still make it relevant. But when you learn something for a long period of time and maybe you don't have an opportunity to practice, opportunity to earn from it, it seems like it's not relevant or you're wasting the time.
Then my own last contribution is over time, like professions evolve, jobs evolve, and one thing about human beings is that we are always afraid of change. For instance, this video editing that we are all citing, when film was being utilized, there were special video editors in quotes. They had special tools that they used to like cut and join films together, superimpose images. It was a skill set that people would take years to learn. And then almost overnight, computers came in and then digital tools were introduced. Of course, those guys still exist today that can edit on film. Most people that shoot on film today still convert it to digital to edit it. So that skill is irrelevant, quote unquote. But a lot of people that were able to transition from using those tools into the modern day using computers, because eventually computers are easier to master technically than using those physical cut and join this and this. So your ability to evolve as the market evolves, your job description changes over time. Before, if you look back 10-15 years ago, there were some roles that did not exist, like HR, clinical. There are some roles that are new. So as more jobs go away, new jobs open up. So your ability to use your previous experience to key into the new industry, that is how you stay relevant. On a personal level, Jafuri Are, fight for your own quote unquote. Fight for your own. Learn to evolve with the market, understand the trend. As an example, I've been editing for over 10 years, and video editing has moved past the way it was when I started. The standards that were great and acceptable 10 years ago are no longer relevant. There are things that you can achieve with apps and Canva, for example. So if I had stayed at that Canva, because there are some people that are still at that level, they are still charging what they charged 10 years ago, or cannot even command or charge what they charged 10 years ago. There are some people that cannot use the new tools. There are some people that even After Effects of 2015 is light years ahead of After Effects of 2025 in terms of what it can do. So if you fail to evolve, the market will leave you behind. Irrelevancy is personal. The industry evolves. If you evolve with the industry, you will continue to remain relevant. So that's
My
important.